The man actually wanted the giant insect in front of him to eat him. Because he wasn't human, was a replica, Mickey was a disposable clone. Reborn every time he died through a reprinting process. A massive furnace melted all the waste produced on the spaceship. This waste was reassembled by the furnace and used as raw material for the printer, which could then produce a full replica. Mickey was one of these replicas. Created from reprocessed garbage, his past memories were transferred into his brain using a brick-shaped device. It was a wildly advanced and insane technology. Mickey's life was incredibly cheap. To others, he was worth less than a pet. People even used him for experiments. Without the slightest guilt, they tricked him into going outside the ship under the pretense of repairing the circuits. But it was really to test the effects of cosmic radiation on the human body. They monitored his condition, only to collect data. They made Mickey remove one of his gloves to observe what would happen to a hand exposed to space. Mickey obediently took off the glove, only to be struck by a meteorite. He soon lost consciousness in the vacuum of space. Then, a new Mickey was printed out from the machine. But before the new Mickey had even been alive for 10 seconds, he was thrown into another experiment. A female researcher scolded her colleague, saying the dosage was too high. But the male researcher replied, "He'll just come back in 10 minutes anyway." The female researcher tried to comfort Mickey, telling him this version was special because it had the shortest lifespan yet. Mickey often joked, "If someone like me could buy life insurance, I'd be a millionaire by now." He grew more and more tired of this kind of life because he retained the memories of every version of himself. Until one day, he was sent on a mission to the surface and encountered a giant insect. That's when everything changed. The researchers thought the bug had eaten him, so they printed another Mickey. But when the exhausted Mickey returned to his room, he found another replica who looked exactly like him.